Hello everyone, welcome to GIS and RS Solution YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great at your place. Today I will show you how we can download climate data of any area in Excel format. This data is available from 1981 to 2019. I will give the link of this website in the description box below. Please check this out. Open your Google Chrome browser. In the search bar, type Power Access Climate Data. You will have this interface. From here, select Power Data Access Viewer by NASA Power. Then you can see this pop-up window. Click Access Data. You will get this interface. In the left side you can see a dialog box. From here you can select your location, data type, time frame and output file format. Like here I am choosing SSE Renewable Energy as a user community. Then here you can choose the temporal average from daily, interannual or climatology. I'm choosing here interannual. So from here we can select the location. Just click the location that you want to choose. Here I am selecting this area as my location. After that you will get the latitude and longitude of this area. Now I will select the time extent. Here I am selecting it from 1981 to 2019. So here you have to choose the output file format. Here there are several formats, but I am choosing CSV to get the file in Excel. From here you can also select the parameters. Here I am selecting those data that I need. You can select or choose your data according to your need. Here I am just selecting precipitation, relative humidity, and like this I am selecting my other desired data. If you really want to know what does the parameter means, then just click on the parameter definition. Here you will get a parameter dictionary. From here, just select any parameter. Here I have selected maximum temperature at 2 meters. And all the definition comes. You can see from here what does it actually means in climatology or interannual or daily. Parameter dictionary is really very helpful to understand all the parameters properly. You can check this out. I'm going back to Power Access Data Viewer and checking all the options. Now just click on Submit. Here I got the output file. I'm downloading this CSV. Just open your Excel file. Here you can see all the data has been downloaded. Here I am just checking all the downloaded data. I got it from 1981 to 2019 as I have selected. Like this word means precipitation. Likewise, you will get all the symbol word meaning from here. Then you can analyze your data as per your requirement. Like from here, I am creating some charts. Thank you for watching today's video. If you like it, then just hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Next video will come very soon. Keep eye on GIS and RS solution. Till then, take care. Thank you.